Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Now before I continue, hope you subscribe to the channel. If you haven't, please subscribe. It actually helps us a lot. Thank you. Now let's start. I'm ready to help you add photos to your Capcut project on your PC. I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to add photos to your Capcut project. And the first thing you have to do is launch your Capcut and create a new project. How do you do that? Open the Capcut app on your PC, click on new project to start a fresh project. Exactly where I am right now. Next thing you're going to do is click on the import button. Here's the import button, click on it, and next thing you're going to do, you're going to select the photos you want to import. So I want to import from pictures. Let's see. You're really that nice. Let me take from somewhere else. I think I have some really nice photos. Yeah. Oh, did I delete them? Oh, here they are. Yeah. So select the photos you want. Now I want this one, and I want this one. Click on open, and then there they are. Now once you've selected the photos you want by browsing your computer to find the photos you want to add and clicking on open, next thing you're going to add the photos to your timeline. Now you can add them one by one like this. Click on it, drag it down by pressing down your mouse, erase the mouse and put it here, and then you do the same for the next one. She's beautiful, isn't she? Anyway, you do the same for the next one, drag it down, pull it down, bring it there too. Or this is for the next one. She is beautiful too. Thinking about this one too. They're both beautiful. Anyway, as I was saying, so you can do this way. This is the boring way to do it, or you can just add them at the same time. Now let me show you how to do that. Let's delete the photos here, and then you click them, select this and select this, select both of them, control select. Now like I said, you can select multiple of the, for example, let's add more pictures so it look as if I have a lot. I'm not really a picture person. Anyway, you select them together, you select them together, 1, 2, and then you drag them there. Let's do it again, drag it here. Only one followed. Why is that? Let's see. Well, not to waste your time, I've gotten the same picture twice. Look at me, I must like you, girl. Anyway, let's leave that. Sorry, we really need to be serious. Alright, back to being serious. These are just so beautiful. Look at this girl smile. Look at her smile. Look at it. Let's just enjoy the full effect. Let me do it. Look at her smile. Ain't she pretty? She's so pretty. Oh, this one too. Look at the eyebrow. Anyway, moving back. So once you selected the pictures, there are many things you can do to your photos. Now, for example, you can decide to customize a photo. Yes. So let's say I want to customize this particular photo, by adding effects, adding fillers. So let's do that. Customize our photo. We can even add animation to it. Make it zoom in, zoom out. Let's see. You can see. You can add animation to it. The different animations you can do. You can even do a combo. Let's see what the combo is like. Let's do trisect. You can see what the trisect is. Nice. Anyway, there are many things you can do. Many things you can do. There's so many of them. Let's see what we can do for this one. You can add animation. Let's see the combo for that. So let's do 3D cards for you. Nice. So don't forget to experiment with that. You can also do something about the duration. I can adjust the duration here, increase it, reduce it by pressing it down, increase it by pressing the arrow up. So that's it. Then you can also, let's see what else we can do to the pictures. Apart from the effects, let's see. We can marks, retouch, stuff like that. All this. Also, we can also add filters to it up here. Like here, we can add filters, we can add effects to it, we can add effects, we can add transitions, captions, filters. Get the filters. We have different types of filters. You can see them: jingle bell, clear, humble. Just experiment with your photos. Experiment with them. Makes it more fun. And once you choose with all of that, I've added everything you want to add. You can apply, like I said, filters, overlays, animation, change the brightness, contrast, saturation. What did I just click on adjustment over here? Then we have over here, this is max, sorry, adjustments, custom adjustments. So you can add it to the track. So over here, adjust. So you can see the adjustments over here by the right. Then you can change temperature, detail, saturation, exposure, contrast, highlight, shadow, white, black, blah blah blah. Effects. You can change all that. Alright. So once you choose everything, then you click on the preview button, which is this one over here. Click on it, and you can preview. Let's start from the beginning. Click on play. Beautiful smile, like I said, beautiful smile. Looking up happy and nice and happy. Anyway, so we finished previewing, and once you're satisfied, I'm satisfied, then click on export. And once you click on export to save your video to the part you chose, so you click on export, and then to save it to this is the place you want to see where to save. You click here, file or folder, to take you to where you're going to save. Then you can choose where you want to save, and once you give it a name and click on export. It is as simple as that. Now let's look at it one more time. Okay, now you can add multiple photos at once, like I said, by dragging into the timeline. You can also use the split tool to divide a long photo into multiple clips if a photo is long. Then you can experiment with different transitions between photos to create a dynamic look. You can add background music or sound effects to enhance your video. I didn't add background music, but in case you want to, you can also add background music by clicking on audio over here. Let's see. So you can search for an artist. Let me use let's say Happy Feeling. This sounds nice. Let me use Happy Feeling. So it's not downloaded, then you just simply drag it and put it here. So let's do that. Happy Feeling. Now let's see the effect. I've not used this song before, so I don't know how it sounds. As you can see, my music is longer than my track, so I can just simply extend it if I want. I can extend it all. Another thing, you can extend the duration of your photos. So let's extend it. Oh, calm down. Let's extend it all. This is the first one. You need to move first, so I can extend it. Where is my photo? Alright, here you are. Extend you to, and then I can bring it back to join her. So let's see. Oh, this is still longer, far longer. Okay, these are things you can do. You can adjust the duration, and I'm adjusting the duration of the image, by the way. So let's see. It's even longer than my song now. Let's reduce that. It shouldn't be longer than the song itself. Let's reduce it so that it's all meshed together. Okay, now let's play. Let's preview. Just play. Look at that smile. Look at her smile. Look at her hair. I wish I were her. Moving. Okay. I can sing a little bit, but not that much. Anyway, she's beautiful. I've recommended too much. Many other things I can add to it, of course. So let's move to the next person. Whoa, I did a 4-minute video. Look at that. Just look at her eyebrow. Look at it. Just look at it. Look at the beautiful smile. Perfection. Anyway, not to waste your time. Not to waste your time. So that's it. So simple as that. Hope I'm sure you enjoyed this video with me the way I enjoyed it too. So do not forget to hit the notification button so I can get more new updated videos from us. See you in the next video. Bye for now.